jeez. He had multiple other tracks, but I scraped up the original and made a new one. Holy crap! Ooh. That is what I was on. A huge sled slowly falling to its doom. Yep, perfectly normal. Nothing wrong with that. Railroad tracks. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, this is all ice. Alright, good start. Good start! Everybody spoke to Where's the GoPro? Oh my gosh, did you see that crash? And that's what I was on. I was on that. And there's where I began. Oh my God. Does it really have to be this windy? So I was here and I turned sideways, continued all the way down, and then jumped this curve right here. Same place I crashed last time. Ugh. Gotta do. Now me and my judge have to do a sledding fails compilation. Best of 2024! No! No! I'm up course already! No! So far, so good. I was on that same little ditch that I fell in the last time. Maybe I should have fought twice for kind of cold. We walk up the ice. Chance we might slip and fall. All the way up there. Alright, I'm coming. I make little I make little footpaths every once in a while. Across all this mud. Yep. We have to step through every little bit of mud on or off the footpath. Ow! Won't work. There we go. Woo! 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 Oh, good. Great start, great start. No turning, no flipping. This is the place where I always... No! Oh my God! Did you guys just see that? I spinned out. I always start turning around when we get to the ice. Like that little patch of ice that you see, it always gets me. So little chunk of ice always flips to slide over it. And if I'm going down a hill at like 5 miles per hour, there's no stopping it then. I don't know why, but the grass kind of reminds me of like a nice green salad. But literally covered in ranch dressing. If you've ever seen... Oh, I don't wanna... I already do My Singing Monsters Let's Plays. And I made you guys comment 6 times. And then one of the episodes... Ah, shoot! I'm losing control! Ah! Oh my God. Oh! 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 I went right over that. Don't! I'm gonna go the slowest possible! Yes! No! Ah, jeez! Hey, look! Oh, snowball! Gosh! My hands are all flaky! No? Yes! This is going... retreat! Good thing I hit the brakes. Oh my God! Oh my... Great. I'm not even on the camera. There we go. so glad I got the brake. I'm so glad I hit the brakes. Right moment. The right moment. Come on. A few more feet to go. Patience and precision. Yes! I hope I don't get too overconfident. I don't know why I have the amazing digital circus thing stuck in my head now. I did nothing! No! Don't! Oh my god, I hit the brakes. I already took 20 feet worth of dragging to try and by myself. Oh, it's not gonna get any better. Whoa! 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 Ugh. I was right up that edge. Stopped right here. Oh! At least I... Also, while we walk up sled tracks, I'll tell you some stories, because I bought Incredibox, thanks to forcing my mom to get it. Oh no! I'm gonna lose control! I gotta keep stable! No! Oh my! 3, 2, 1.5, 1 3/4, 1 2/4. Oh, enough. Just go. No! I forgot the important to have all hands and feet inside the sled at all times. No. The ice is wet. Oh my god. I got up. I actually stopped myself. Next time I'll do this at full speed. Still got a spring in it, stand! We're bad way! In a bad way! Ah! Oh, did you see that? Oh no! One ball. Oh, Steve! Oh, I didn't hear me.